Welcome, in this video we are going to learn ARP sweep module for scanner discovery auxiliary module in Metasploit. When your target systems are located on the same network as your attacking machine, you can enumerate systems by performing an ARP scan. Naturally, Metasploit has a module that can help you out. Let's open up terminal and type MSF console. Load the ARP sweep module into MSF console. Type use auxiliary scanner discovery ARP_sweep. Type info. Here we can see that module information, basic options as interface, the name of the interface, rhost the target range or CIDR identifier, host source IP address, and so on. Due to the manner in which ARP scanning is performed, you need to pass your MAC address and source IP address to the scanner in order for it to function properly. Let's set the remote host address range. Type rhost 192.168.1.1 Let's set Kali IP address as 192.168.1.103. Let's set MAC address. Open up another terminal, type ifconfig. Here you can see that Kali MAC address. I have copied it up. Set concurrent thread as 255. Execute the module. Type run. Here you can see that live PC are in localhost 192.168.1.1, 101, 194, and so on. So that's it in this video on ARP sweep, which is a scanner discovery auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.